Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. Today I have got a huge Princess Polly haul for you guys. I am so excited to show you what I picked out. All of these items were really kind of gifted to me, but that means I have a discount code for you guys, so I will just leave it on screen. It's just Ashley20 and that will save you 20% off site-wide. I believe it's valid for a month after this video goes live, so be quick. I will leave everything linked down below for you guys. They're fast becoming one of my favourite brands. I just love everything on their website. They do so many different styles as well, like really different to other brands, so definitely check them out. They have over 150 new items every week, so definitely something on there for everyone. They do actually do a free express shipping as well for orders over £40 in the UK, and it takes 2 to 4 working days, so really quick delivery. I think my stuff came in about 3 days, which is really good. They do ship from America, so a really quick turnaround. You also get 30 days return period as well, which is great if you haven't used them before, you want to test them out as a brand. Anything you don't like you can send back, so that's just good to have as like peace of mind. Also, they do Afterpay to all UK customers as well, so if you did want to pay for installments or pay for it a little bit later on down the line, then you can also do that. Also, I always get asked in these types of videos, when you actually go to checkout, the VAT will already be applied into your bag, so there'll be no surprises at checkout, which is very handy. But yeah, I think that is everything. I really hope that you guys do enjoy this video. If you aren't already subscribed, I'd love it so much if you'd stick around and give the video a big thumbs up. But yeah, let's just jump straight on into it. Okay, first things first, what I am wearing. I am actually wearing some Princess Polly jeans as well, but I'll show you guys those in a little side clip so you can see them properly. I have got this unreal graphic printed tee. I am so in love with this. If you're like me and you love like oversized baggy t-shirts, then have a look at Princess Polly. They just have so many different like logos and graphics. I will leave some of my favorites linked down below for you guys so you can have a little look. But this one is a Rolling Stones t-shirt, and I just love all of the colors going through this. There's just so many like pastel tones. I am actually going to Boston and Florida this month, which is just crazy, so I thought this in the like Disney and Universal parks would be really nice with like some cycling shorts or something, or I could just pair it with some jeans if I wanted to dress it up a little bit more like in this country or whatever. But yeah, I just love how oversized and big and baggy this is. I did actually size up to the biggest size, so I picked this up in a large to XL I believe, but I just love baggy clothes. If I'm going to be wearing a t-shirt or a hoodie, then it's going to be oversized. So yeah, if you don't want it this big, then you can size down a little bit. I will do a little side clip here so you guys can see it in a little bit more detail. But yeah, literally the perfect oversized t-shirt. So as I said, I will leave this one linked down below, and any others that are similar that I think you guys will love as well. So with this t-shirt at the minute, I have on a pair of jeans. Obviously you guys aren't going to be able to see them properly like that, so I will pan the camera down 2 seconds. Okay, so I just took the tag off these. I'm going to leave a little side clip here for you guys so you can see them properly, but they're basically just some black high-waisted jeans. They're a mum style. I picked these up because I don't know about you, but I struggle to find the perfect black jeans. I find they're harder to find than blue jeans. It might just be me. I picked them up in a size US 8, which I believe is a size UK 12. I will confirm that on screen for you guys. They've got some nice distressing detail on the knee here and up here on the thigh, but not too much. That's what I really love. They've got a bit of detail with the distressing, but it's not overdone. The only thing I would say is I probably would size down in these. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're proper gaping at the back. I always have that problem. I have a proper dip in my back, I think, where the bum is just so big. The dip in the back is real. So I might get them taken in, or I'll just wear them with a belt. But yeah, I would definitely say size down in these, which I very rarely say with denim. I normally have to size up with jeans. But yeah, they fit really nicely. Other than that, they're a great fit on the bum and the legs. They come down to my ankles. Obviously you guys would have seen that in the little clip here. But yeah, if you're after some jeans, then definitely try out Princess Polly. Not just these, I have like 3 pairs from them now, and they're my favourite denim by far. They're a proper like denim material, but they're still comfy and they kind of give a little bit the more you wear them. So yeah, really recommend these. Okay, before I move on to my next outfit, I actually was meant to show you guys these a second ago. I found the nicest pair of sunglasses. You all need them. They're literally such a designer dupe. I've been looking, I think it's Balenciaga. I've seen a pair really similar to these, but obviously they've got a designer price tag. Can't really be affording those right now. I'm trying to renovate a house, but I found these on Princess Polly and I fell in love. They are so gorgeous. I'm just going to pop them on for you guys. I think these are called the Louis sunglasses in black. gonna try not to blind you, but how gorgeous. They're like oversized, but they've got sort of like a big cat eye sort of shape to them. I'm so in love. I love these so much. I think they might have had these in other colors, so if I can find them I will leave them links down below for you guys. But yeah, I love a big oversized sunny. I just think it kind of like adds to an outfit. It makes it look a little bit more bougie. Or I'm not gonna lie, most of the time they do just sit on my head like this, but they still look kind of cool. So yeah, really love these. Princess Polly have the most unreal accessories, by the way. I wasn't sure if this bag was my vibe. It's picking up quite orange tone on camera, but it's definitely more of like a tan brown sort of shade. It's called the Jensen tote bag, and I mainly just picked this up because one, I've seen everyone with these on Instagram, so I kind of just thought I'd follow the trend, and also because I'm going on holiday this month, I thought this would be a great like theme park bag. You know, when you want to take a spare outfit with you and just little bits and bobs, this is like such a huge bag. I don't know if you're actually going to be able to see how big it is on camera, like I'm really not doing a good job of that. There you go, you can kind of see, but it's basically like a Mary Poppins bag. I think you could get so much in here, and it's quite cool. So with a nice little neutral outfit, I think this would be a very handy bag to have. Okay, I just ran up the stairs to look at this in the mirror, but firstly I'm out of breath, but this is the most flattering set I've ever put on my body. Like if you're gonna buy one thing from this haul, you need this. Actually, you probably need a lot of it, but this is really cute. I'm gonna leave a side clip here again for you guys so you can see it properly. Guys, this is the most flattering set ever. They did have this in a few different colors as well. They had like a sage and cream patterned one, and then they had this in brown as well, which I actually need. I need it in brown. It is such a gorgeous set. It is so thick, it holds you in. It is the thickest like knitted material ever. Really flattering on the body, so I can't recommend this one enough. I'm not the most body confident at the minute either, but I feel really like held in and secure. I would feel comfortable going out in this. Honestly, I think this is going to be flattering on so many different body types. This is like a base to an outfit is insane. Like you could dress this up and go out in it, just chuck on like some heels and a nice little bag, or like a big coat and a beanie hat and some chunky boots. So this is called the Adora set in Midnight Black. I got it in a size at medium to large. Honestly, I'm not lying when I say I'm going straight on there and picking this up in brown. It is just so beautiful. Okay, I've just moved the camera back a little bit so you can see everything on a little bit better. But the next piece is this Bella PU coat in black. I got it in a size medium to large. I'm so in love with this coat. Like, can we just, how bloody gorgeous is this? It's basically like a PU coat like I just said, but it's got this really lovely shearling lining to it. So cute, so cool. And as I said, this on top of this black cord I think just really works. Honestly, I'm so in love with this. As soon as I saw this on the website, I knew that I had to pick it up. This is so soft as well, by the way. Hopefully it's going to pick it up and show you guys, but oh, honestly the best quality ever. I love these little cuffs. You can actually unroll them if you want to as well, so if you've got longer arms, then that's a great little hack. It has pockets. You just cannot go wrong with this coat. The lining actually does stop at about here, but it is still a really nice and warm coat. I love that it's got this tie belt as well, so you can do it up if you want to, like it's a bit colder, or you could have it undone obviously so you can see the outfit underneath. Like such a simple outfit, but you really look like you've put some effort in. Obviously this will be linked down below for you guys. You'll probably see it over my Instagram as well because I'm just obsessed. Like this is definitely going to be coming to Boston with me. This is a perfect like dressier winter coat if you're having like a meal out or like a brunch with the girls, anything. Honestly, just get this coat. It's stunning. Okay, next up I thought I would just get all of the coats and jackets out of the way. This is the last jacket I have to show you guys. So this one is called the Next in Line biker jacket in brown, and I picked this up in a size UK 14. I have never seen, I don't know if it's just me, but I've never seen like a biker jacket in this gorgeous chocolate brown shade, so I thought I would pick it up. As I said, I got it in a size 14. I'm typically between a size 10 and 12, but I wanted this to be really nice and oversized, so if I wanted to wear it as like a dress with some boots I could, or if I wanted to just put it on top of an outfit of jeans and a nice top, then I could also do that. Guys, how gorgeous is this? I love this so much. It's a really nice light leather jacket, if that makes sense. Like it's not too heavy, but the quality is still really nice. I'm obsessed with this color. It's just a really nice like rich chocolate brown. I'm not sure I would actually pair it with this outfit. I never know how I feel about brown and black together. What do you guys think down below? Let me know. But yeah, I'm never sure. So I'll just come closer so you guys can see the little bits of hardware detailing on it. So it's got these brushed chrome buttons on the sleeves here, and then it's just got the same colour like zip and buttons running through it. I love how like edgy this is, but you could still like dress it up and make it look really girly with maybe like some under the knee boots and a little dress or something, or as I say, just wear it in the day as a really casual vibe. Okay, I've probably said this about every item in this haul, but I can't with this dress. It is so beautiful. I don't own many mini dresses, so again I thought I'd go for a little bit of a wild card. So this is the Shyla mini dress in brown, and I got it in a size medium to large. Guys, this with like some beige or brown under the knee boots, I just think is gonna look unreal for like a date night. This is like a perfect winter date night outfit. Like you're gonna be warm, but you're gonna look cute, and it's a little bit dressier, but you're not gonna freeze, you know? I'm not sure if they have this in other patterns, but if I can find any other like color alternatives, then I will leave them linked down below for you guys. It's not too short. As I said, I'm like 5'6.5", and I think this is a really good length. I feel completely covered, but it's still like a nice mini dress length. Yeah, run, don't walk to Princess Polly, guys. Honestly, this is so nice. I'm really hoping I have everything crossed that this is still in stock. If it's not, then I will try and find an alternative on their website in this like same fabric and style. So the top I've got on now is called the Orla short sleeve top, and I got this in a size medium to large. I just thought I would pick this up because it's a really nice little basic to have in my wardrobe, but it's still got something a little bit different to it with these stripe details going across. Obviously you probably picked it up from this haul, my wardrobe is very neutral, so these sort of colours are right up my street. I love these like mockery shades and the creams, they're really me, so they'll go with loads of different outfits in my wardrobe. But yeah, again, it's this really lovely like ribbed knitted material. I don't have a bra on with this. I don't think it's see-through at all, and honestly it is so comfortable to wear. Like it is so stretchy. I'll just come closer so you guys can see. It's a really gorgeous fabric. I've actually seen a lot of these sort of tops all over Instagram at the minute. Loads of influencers have got these like striped little crop tops, so I thought I would pick one up and give one a go. I'm gonna see if they've got these in more like block colours as well, because I'm always needing new basics in my wardrobe, and the quality of this is just stunning. So I'm probably gonna grab this in more colours if I can find them. And then moving on to the trousers. So as I said, these are a pair of cord trousers. I have seen cord trousers everywhere at the minute, and I don't own a pair, so I thought I would give these a go. They fit like a glove. Like Princess Polly is now going to be my absolute go-to for trousers because they just fit so nicely. Where I'm a bit curvier, you girls, if you are curvier, you'll know what I mean. My bum and my hips are wider, but my waist is a little bit smaller, so I always really struggle to find trousers that fit me nicely everywhere. But these are so nice, and they're not too restrictive. They're a really nice like give-in fabric, so really recommend these if you're after some trousers like these. Obviously you'll see them a lot better in this little side bit here. The length is actually really nice as well, so I could just wear like some chunky trainers with these. I just think these are going to be a real staple in my wardrobe for this time of year. I can kind of like add knitwear on top and sort of layer up, and then as we start to move into the spring months, just little tops like this or like little strappy tops will look really cute as well. Okay, I'm sorry if the lighting keeps going all over the shop. In the UK it gets dark at like 3 o'clock now. How lucky are we? But I think I might have saved the best till last. I don't know if it's going to pick up how nice it is on camera. Guys, this top is everything. It's basically like a really sheer chocolate brown top with these glittery flecks through it. Like how stunning is that? Hopefully it's picking it up. I've just put on a little like brown bra underneath so I can show you guys. I probably would pair this with like some leather look leggings or maybe a lighter pair of denim jeans, but I thought I'd just chuck on the black pair of Princess Polly jeans to show you guys this top. I'm genuinely obsessed. I'm gonna leave the name and the size that I got this in on screen for you guys because I can't find the tag anywhere. This is something I really need in my wardrobe. I don't own many like dressy tops or dresses, like I said, because I don't go out that much. Obviously we had lockdown before and I've just kind of got in the habit of staying in, but I want to start going out more, and this is definitely going to be worn on a night out. It's kind of like a mesh material. It's a really light fabric. I'll just come closer so you guys can see. So you can see the skin through it, and then it's just got these bigger flecks of glitter and then also like really small pieces of glitter. It's not itchy at all, which I was kind of worried about. You know, sometimes you get fabrics like this and they're really irritating on the skin. This one isn't at all, which is great. They did have it in another colour as well. I think it was like a fuchsia-y pink sort of colour. So I will try and find that one and link it down below because it was beautiful. But I just thought the chocolate brown was more my sort of vibe. Okay, I think that is everything that I have to show you guys in this video. I really hope that you have enjoyed watching. I have absolutely loved filming this. I just love Princess Polly as a brand. Their stuff is so nice. Like the quality of these pieces, guys, I can't stress you enough. They're just so incredible. Really recommend, if you've never tried them out as a brand, just give them a go. Have a little look on the website. Feel free to use my discount code. I will leave it on screen here for you guys. It's just Ashley20 and that will save you 20% off. If you did have any questions on sizing or shipping or anything like that, ask me down below or over on my Instagram and I will get back to you. I will just leave my Instagram on screen here for you guys, so it's really easy to check me out over on there. Thank you so much to Princess Polly for gifting me all of these items. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, I'd love it if you'd stick around. I've got so many new videos coming up with Black Friday and stuff coming up. But yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.